Hello everyone. Here I show you homemade simple AC. How to make a homemade AC. Um, Here you see some instruments. Ice cream box, small ice cream box, and a cooling fan. It's a desktop cooler. Yes, see it's rotating, and multi adapter here. This is. Uh, just simple, very simple AC. uh, first uh, first I make a hole in this side. uh, I put this in, and uh, I I make a circle here for the measurement of the hole. uh, okay, uh, you can't see, but I make a hole. uh, I make a hole here, you can see. And I just cut this hole, yeah. And I also make a hole in this side uh, for air blowing the air. um, Here I already uh, make a hole, another box, and I also make here a hole. And I put this fan on this, and this is simple rubber band, you know. And I just hold it with this rubber band here. Here is hole, and here is the fan. The fan blows the air into this chamber uh, inside this, and I put some ice inside, and the air become very cold, and the cold air blows through this hole. Okay. uh, Now I put some ice into this chamber. uh, Wait a minute. Here is some ice. uh, I put this in this chamber, you see it. Okay, I put some ice in this. Oh. You see, inside there is ice, and it's become cold. uh, then I put a plate under the box, cause the melted water fall into the plate. uh, okay. You can give a stand to it. Then I This is multi adapter. Then I put it into the power. Then I give the power line in this AC. and you see the fan is blowing and the cold air blows through the hole and it's very much cold. Here you can see the ice is there. The fan blows uh, the fan blows air into the chamber and the ice make the air cold and the cold air blows through this hole. You can see it and you know this air is very much cold. You can use it in summer season when the when there is very much hot and you can if you uh, if you don't buy or have any big AC or large AC, you can make this kind of small AC in your house and keep it on your desk reading table and feel the cold air of this simple AC and you feel comfortable. You see the and whenever the ice melted you can give new ice to this chamber for more cold air. The melted water fall into the plate and just enjoy the cold weather. It's very much cold. You can sleep with this air. So that's all about it. Thank you.